Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G42, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So just to do that, we have now the same wallpapers on the home and lock screen. To change the wallpaper, we should launch the settings application and then tap here to the wallpaper section. After that, we can select our new wallpaper from our device photos previously taken on our device, or from the Google Drive, for example. Also, we can use our device photos here, for example, from just download it from the internet and from our device camera. Or we can use our device default wallpapers, but to use all of them, you should be connected to the Wi-Fi or to another mobile data. And just let's use, for example, this folder with the wallpapers. For example, I'll use this red wall here. Just we can select the position of wallpaper. For example, let's use this one. Tap on the right down corner. You can see how that will look on your lock screen. Tap on the right down corner and select lock screen. Just wait a second. Now we can see the message that this wallpaper is successfully set on our device lock screen. So let's lock the device, and now we can see that we just successfully changed lock screen wallpaper on our Motorola device. Also, we have the second way how we can do that. Just first we should hold for a while our device home screen and then tap here to wallpapers icon. Now we can see here the same our device photos. Tap here to allow. We can use our device camera photos downloaded from the internet. Also, we can use the device wallpapers. This is the section with the same wallpapers. Also, we can use the stylized here interactive wallpapers. For example, let's use one from this. For example, landscapes wallpapers. I just wanna use, for example, this one. Now just we can see how that will look on our lock screen. Tap on the right down corner and select lock screen here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.